We'll guide you through how to breed villagers in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be cool to do, and you can go and get a baby villager, essentially a mini villager, and they'll then eventually grow up to be a full-size one. So we're going to guide you through exactly what you need to do. Make this full guide and go and skip anything, as there's some important steps and requirements that you need to go and know about. So watch this full guide and go and skip anything. So first of all, you do need to go and have 2 villages, of course. You can do this in a village. I'm just doing this with these 2 villages together just for the sake of the guide to go make it clear. So now what we need to do first of all is you need to have a minimum of 3 beds. 2 for the existing villages and another for the baby one. So what we're going to do is go and place down 3 like so. Now the next requirement is food requirements. So what you need to do is you need to go and have either 12 potato, 12 carrot, 12 beetroot, or 3 bread. And a villager is going to need 1 of these each. So what we can then do is I'm going to go and drop 12 carrots here, but it also could be the 12 of the other things. And then I'll go and drop 3 bread for this one, let's say. Of course, it could go and be one of the other things as well. Let's just go and make sure they go and get picked up. Now what you can do is come back and go and wait. And you're going to go and see hearts go and appear. You can go and see the hearts then go and appear, and you can go and keep waiting, and shortly a baby villager is going to go and appear. Keep waiting, and as you can see, the baby villager has now gone and appeared. There it is there. That's it. As you can see, it looks pretty cool. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.